Welcome to the MoneyShow.com video network. I'm Charles Githler. I'm here today with Greg Capra, and we're going to talk about specific price action, the way that Pristine trades the markets, not using indicators, using price action. So give us a few examples or something you can think of that would kind of point out what you do.
One of my favorites, Charles, is what I call a money bar setup. And I call it that because it works the vast majority of the time and it produces money. One of the things that I struggled with, and I know many traders struggle with, is trying to get onto a momentum move. Meaning the buyers come in, they drive prices up quickly, and most strategies are based on, let me get on the retracement. We have a strategy based on that as well. However, when the momentum is there, a lot of times prices don't pull back. So I struggled with, well, how do I get on board, but I need to require some type of corrective price action. So what I look for is a strong move. Prices still have room to run, meaning there's what we call a void of overhead resistance. There's really no reference point why anybody should really sell. Prices stall and may go sideways for 1 or 2 periods. This is applicable to any time frame. And then prices spike down. Right? I'm looking at a long setup where prices have gone up. They spike down on one bar. They'll take out 1 or 2 bars lows. The buyers come in and they'll drive it right back up and they'll form what we call a bottoming tail bar. That's the money bar or correction bar. I buy it above that bar's high. I put a stop below the low and I let it run.
And it can be a very long-spanning momentum play at that point.
Well, it depends on the time frame. Like if this was a weekly chart, I'd expect it's going to run for weeks. If I'm trading it off of a 5-minute chart, it might last a half an hour.
Very interesting. Do you watch volume as well?
I watch volume as it relates to the past. Volume is never something in the present moment because we're all part of it. So if you're looking for the volume confirmation in the moment, you miss the trade.
Well, thank you, Greg.
Thank you for having me, Charles.
We've been speaking with Greg Capra of Pristine.com. I'm Charles Githler with the MoneyShow.com video network.